All right, let's look at the homework 6.1, problem number 8. All right, let's evaluate this definite integral here. All right, so first thing I would do is I'm going to rewrite it as x, let's see, it's going from 0 to 12. All right, so I'm going to have x to be my first guy. Second one is quantity x plus 4. Alright, so x plus 4 lives in the basement, so it's going to be a negative power. And the square root is equivalent to 1/2 power. So we can write it as a quantity x plus 4 to the negative 1/2 power. Alright, so this is done with respect to x. Alright, so we take the derivative of the first guy, you get 1, which is great. And take the antiderivative of the second one, you're going to get quantity x plus 4 and add 1 to the power, so it's going to be a 1/2 power. Divide by 1/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2, so we have that. Alright, so this is going to give us here, we're going to multiply diagonally first. Alright, so we're going to get, let's see, 2 times x, so 2x. And this is a square root of x plus 4, right? And lower limit is still 0, and upper limit is 12, right? Minus, then we multiply those two guys together, right? So it's going to be an integral from 0 to 12. And it's a 2 times quantity x plus 4, raise it to the 1/2 power with respect to x. Alright, so let's evaluate that. So plug in 12 in there. So it's going to be let's see, it's going to be a 2 times 12 is 24. So it's a 24 times. If you plug in 12 here, so you're going to get 12 plus 4 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So we put that in. Minus, if you plug in 0, 2 times 0 times anything is 0. So it's a minus 0. So I'm not going to write anything down. So minus, right? So this is just a 2, constant multiple. Right, antiderivative of that would be add 1 to the power, so 1/2 to plus 1 would be 3/2. Divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3, right? Then you're going from 0 to 12, right? So this is going to be equal to, right, 4 times 24 would be, let's say 4 times 4 is 16, and 2 times 4 is 8, so it's going to be 96, right, minus, right, so I'm going to pull out the constant, 2 times 2 is 4 over 3, right, then if you plug in 12 here, so you have 12 plus 4 is 16, 1/2 power would be a square root, so it's going to be 4, and 4 cubed is 64. Minus, if you plug in 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. 1/2 power gives you 2. Cubed is going to be 8. So we have that. Alright, so that's going to give you, so this is going to be, let's see, 14 minus 8 would be 6. Then you borrow the 1, so it's going to be a 56, right? Oh, 56, right? Alright, so then you multiply by that. Let's see, so what you get is going to be, I guess I have to do the common denominator. Let's see. Alright, common denominator 3. Alright, so 96 would be, so you have to multiply by 3. 3 times 6 would be 18. And 3 times 9 is 27, so 288. Minus 4 times 56 would be, let's see, 4 times 6 is 24. And 4 times 5 is 20, so it's at 224. Right? So this is going to be equal to 8 minus 4 is 4, and 8 minus 2 is 6. And this is over 3. Right? So we got 64 over 3. Right? So let's type it in. We got 64 over 3. Right? Let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.